Here we go!
Yay! Gather around, everybody. Let's play the animal sounds game.
This is exciting!
What sound does a lion make?
Ow! No!
What sound does a lion make?
Ow! No!
What sound does a lion make?
How about No!
What sound does a lion make?
Okay. Roar!
Yeah,
you're right! The lion says roar! Roar! Roar!
Me? What sound does a snake make?
Ow! No!
What sound does a snake make?
Roar! No!
What sound does a snake make?
Ow! No!
What sound does a snake make?
I know. Hiss.
Yeah,
that's
right.
Snake says hiss. 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 My turn.
What sound does a wolf make?
Roar! Roar! No!
What sound does a wolf make?
Bow! No!
What sound does a wolf make?
Hiss. Hiss. No!
What sound does a wolf make?
Ow!
Yeah, you're right.
The wolf goes ow! Ow! Here you go, Monica. Thanks, son.
What sound does an elephant make?
I know. Roar! No!
What sound does an elephant make?
Hiss. No!
What sound does an elephant make?
Ow! No!
What sound does an elephant make?
Got it. Bow! Yeah, that's it. The elephant goes bow!
That was a great game.
That was fun. Yay!
Wow,
Awesome.